Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. We've got a couple people in the chat right now. Thank you very much for being here. We've got Khalito Farm, Nick F, Frank, John J, Gorilla Invictus, Old Rounder, Frank, Dark Bro, and John J. Thank all of you guys for being in here. We'll check out the market real quick. See what's going on over there. We've got AMC in the top left sitting at 727 right now. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 848. AMC. Well, AMC is sitting at 725 right now. Closed the day at 727. Shiba Inu coin was sitting at 848. My goodness, down 3.42%. GameStop closing the day at 25.16. Bitcoin sitting at 15,810. My gosh. Bitcoin, guys, coming down and retesting. Oh my goodness. Retesting this level of support that it hit a couple of, 2 weeks ago? It tapped 15,520 about 2 weeks ago, and it tapped 15,000, I think 65. Yeah, 565 today. So 15,565 on Bitcoin, 15,520 right here. Oh my gosh, if it breaks this line, if it breaks this little intermediate level of support, you guys know where we found this, right? It's not because that it hit it this day right here. You can go all the way back to 2020. To find this level of support. Tabbing it, couldn't break it. Coming and using it as resistance on the way back there, as support on the way back down, as support on the way back down right here. And this is it. This is the only level of resistance that we have until we potentially get down into this area right here, or even way down to $12,000 per coin. So looking at that, it is very important that this line right here holds up. If it doesn't, we could absolutely be testing $12,000 on Bitcoin before the end of the day if we see some fundamental drivers pushing the price lower. But a technical move could easily happen over the next month or before the end of the year that we could be sitting on $12,000 or maybe even $10,000 per coin on Bitcoin again if this 15,000 doesn't hold up, and it is not looking good at the moment. So Bitcoin currently sitting at $15,801 per coin. And where did the NASDAQ close today? Down 1% on the day. GameStop closing at 25.16. Biore Therapeutics 26.40. Up a little bit, just jumping 3% after hours. No real volume at all there. 300 shares being traded on that minute right there. Ethereum down today. Shiba down today. Dogecoin down today. Bitcoin down today. Everything down about 3% at the moment. Sundial sitting at 265 to close. 265 after hours. Mullen Auto closing the day at 25.73, down 4.5%. CEI 11.73 today. The SPY closing the day at $394.61. BBIG 71.62. Highcroft Mining 71.46. We've got Netflix sitting at $285 flat. Netflix losing 1% today. Terra Luna Classic sitting right there at 15,000 points per coin, down 4% on the day. QQQ closing at 281.89, and my goodness, Ape closing the day at $1.27 today. Very, very difficult day for both stocks and crypto. Let's watch Bitcoin play out. It's been a very important day so far, and we'll see if we get another little sell-off or what takes place in cryptocurrency right there. I didn't get notification that you're live. Forefathers, man. Almost seems like nobody gets notifications that we're live anymore. 26 people in here right now. Forefathers, good to have you. Thank you for being in here, man. Neither did I. Forefathers, yeah, nobody getting live. Nobody getting notifications anymore, and I have no idea why. YouTube probably just doesn't like me anymore. We'll find out. Hello everyone, Sarah Desta, 50 Shades of Croy. What's going on, Sarah Desta Croy? It is very odd. Let's see. I still have my short open on Bitcoin from 16,600. Well, you're doing very well. You're doing very well right now, old rounder. I've got a short position on Solana at the moment, and I've actually swing traded Solana several times. It looks like Solana maybe bouncing back up a little bit. I've been playing some pretty tight swings on Solana here. This is going to be used as a level of resistance now. We'll see if it curls back over, but been following Bitcoin very closely over the last several days, yes. But especially intraday today. So if Bitcoin curls over, I expect Solana to curl over. So we'll see that there. Playing the market to the downside might not be bad in this current market that we are in. So think about that if you will. Nonetheless, I do have a stop loss on there. So if Solana jumps back up a little bit, I'll be getting out with a guaranteed very small profit, but I'll be getting out nonetheless with a small profit, not losing any money at all on that trade. A whole bunch of YouTube for not sending me a notification. Yeah, dude, I'm telling you, YouTube's really been dropping the ball lately. They know it, too. How are you today, Sarah? Heck yeah. Hopped into XRP3S yesterday. XRP3S. 3S. Crypto gang, XRP3S. What's the 3S on that? 3X leverage shorts, or you just in XRP something? Did you see a fist bump? You should have had it in the... No. Let's find out. I did not see it anywhere. Doesn't say that it showed up. Super chat's at 0. But, John J, man, I'll trust you. If you send it somewhere, dude, fist, bump, fist, bump, fist, bump, fist, bump. John J, man, it's the effort that counts. Thank you very much for this potentially non-existent fist bump. If you did or did not send it, man, thank you very much for that. Really appreciate it. And if it comes back over, I'll do it again, man. John J, dude, thank you. Let's see, just about $500 of Bitcoin. Champagne Poppy, very nice, man. I think you're the reason that Bitcoin is pumping a little bit right now, coming off those $15,500 lows. Tia Maria, me, you, who? KuCoin XRP 3X leverage short. Yeah, that's what I thought you were saying there. I just wasn't 100% sure if that's what it was or not. Interesting. I didn't see what XRP was doing today. Yeah, I've got some Solana on short. You get XRP on short. I don't know where XRP is at today, actually. Let's see. Let's see where XRP is at. I don't think I've looked at it at all today. $0.35. XRP sitting at 35 cents. Very similar to the overall cryptocurrency market today. XRP down 4%. Like everything else is today. Maybe following Bitcoin and these other coins here. Currently down 3.93% at 35.86 cents. Guys, XRP is still a very, very huge coin at 35 cents with an $18 billion market cap. I mean, this is an expensive company that they've got here. An $18 billion market cap. XRP really seems to be like it's gonna stick around. Nonetheless, I don't know where they are in terms of their lawsuit that they got going on out there right now. Sitting at 35.92 cents, down 3.78% right now. Very nice. If you shorten it, dude, I hope it goes down a little bit. I actually wouldn't mind adding more XRP and playing it long over the long term. But yeah, dude, this crypto market it's very fragile. Let me put it that way. The crypto market's very fragile right now. And therefore, I'm actually more comfortable playing things to the downside with as brutal as the news is out there. Libra, change your settings where all fist bumps go directly to your staking on my $800 trillion Shib hold. Perfect. That is why Michael sent in a king fist bump. Thank you very much, Michael. Fist, boom, fist, boom, fist, boom, fist, bump to the most consistent. I was like, what's the word? The most consistent player in the game, Michael, man. Thank you very much for that fist bump. Absolutely love it, dude. And we've got Ryan Davis in the chat, baby. What's going on, Ryan? Glad to have you back this afternoon. Appreciate that super chat there. Does Ryan want some Michael Corleone? I don't know if he does. I don't know if he doesn't. We'll find out, though. What do you think of the JP Morgan wallet? You know, I've not done any research or read about the JP Morgan wallet. My dad was asking me about the JP Morgan wallet earlier today. Let's see if I could easily pull up any information. go directly to the source, man. jpmorgan.com. Can you guys see this? Oh, you just guys are looking at me. My gosh. All right. So all I've seen that they have done so far is they've registered a trademark for a cryptocurrency wallet. If that's all they've done, okay. Virtual checking accounts. Look, here's my initial thoughts on this. I've not read into it, but I will tell you this right before I get over to Patrick down there. I will say that I believe that the government, big banks, everybody that's in bed with the government, I believe that we are going to go down a path where digital assets are the future. I believe we're going to go down a path where the central bank digital currency is the only currency that we will be allowed to use here in the United States at some point. I believe that we are going to go down this digital dollar path. And these banks, they're getting prepared right now. I don't think that this is going to be some overwhelming, digital checking account where you can open up a JP Morgan account and you can hold your Bitcoin, your Ethereum, your Shiba Inu coin and everything in there, and you could spend out of it the same way that you would spend out of a Crypto.com account with their debit card and so on. I don't think that we are going to see major banks and the government viewing all of these cryptos as usable fiat currencies where they hold them in their bank accounts. I do, however, think that they're positioning themselves to one day move over to a fully digital world, and that's kind of what we're seeing at the moment. That's my initial thoughts. I haven't really read through it. They're just getting trademarks out there right now. Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. Libro, supper, feastu, bumper, fundu. Oh, super feastu, bumper, fundu. Boom, baby, boom, baby, boom, baby, boom. Boom, baby, boom, baby, boom, baby, boom. Yes, Patrick, thank you for the super boompa, super fista, boompa, super fista, boompu fundu. Yes, I like it, man. That's the super fist bump fund right there. The super fist bump fund. Patrick, I need this, man. Thank you very much for the coffee. Thank you very much for the coffee. Thank you very much for the coffee. Thank you very much for the hydration, man. For some reason, I'm actually feeling it right now, and I did need some hydration, Pat, man. Thank you very much. Ryan. Thank you very much for the super chats. Godfather theme. Whatever the Godfather theme is, I appreciate the Godfather theme right there, Ryan. My Godfather is bad. I have not watched The Godfather. I need to watch The Godfather, and I need to get this voice down so that I can better do The Godfather for you. Thank you very much. Buy gold and silver. Moji, might be time, man. Might be time where gold and silver are the only investments that make it through this crazy world that we are living in. And might be the only investment opportunities left after a while. If we are on the verge of the end, gold and silver might be necessary. If we're not on the verge of the end, cryptocurrency is going to make people a lot of money. Same with the stock market rebound too. Where's a good site to learn all about crypto from beginning to end for dummies would be good because it's for me. Interesting. Let me see something. Look, I'm gonna say this right here, even though I don't know if this is the best answer. You could probably learn a lot just by starting your search on YouTube. What is a cryptocurrency? How and so on. But if you prefer reading, this is Investopedia. It typically has really good stuff on the stock market, and apparently they do have a little bit on crypto. This is Investopedia here. You can hit up Investopedia. The first thing right here, what is cryptocurrency? And they've got this. What is cryptocurrency? Is a digital or virtual currency. You can click on this if you're not sure about virtual currency. That is secured by cryptography, which makes it nearly impossible to counterfeit or double spend. Many cryptocurrencies are decentralized networks based on blockchain technology, a distributed ledger enforced by a separate network of computers. So they've got this video. I'm not going to play this video because you never know what kind of copyright claims you're going to get hit with. But this could be a good video, a little 1 minute, 55-second explainer as to what a blockchain and what a cryptocurrency is there. So the thing that I like about Investopedia, so once you start to read this, maybe you read this entire page, okay? You learn a little bit about understanding cryptos. You learn a little bit about the blockchain. You learn a little bit about the types of cryptos. You learn a little bit about whether crypto is illegal or not. And whatever they want to say on this first page here. Crypto's safe and all of that stuff. Then you can start to say, okay, well, I want to go down the mining rabbit hole. So cryptocurrencies can be mined or purchased from cryptocurrency exchanges. So I want to learn a little bit more about mining. You click on mining here. Now, what is Bitcoin mining? Bitcoin mining is the process by which new Bitcoins are entered into circulation. Then it starts talking about blocks and all of this. Cryptocurrency mining is painstaking, costly, and only sporadically rewarding. Well, that's not true if you are mining in a pool. So they start to talk about mining, and then they got a little video on mining that you can look into here. Why miners are necessary. All of these different things, okay? And then let's say, well, you don't necessarily understand, well, let's see if there's anything else here. Let's say you don't understand proof of work. Proof of work is basically running your mining hardware, like a computer. You click on proof of work. Well, now you can understand about proof of work. I'm sure they're going to say, put this contrary to proof of stake, right? So then all of a sudden you're understanding proof of work, all this good stuff. And, okay, example of proof of work. They got all of this. Okay, and then they start to talk about proof of stake down here. I would have thought... Okay, yes. So, related terms. What does proof of stake mean? So then you could go down this rabbit hole right here and start to learn about proof of stake. And there's always these hyperlinks. If you want to learn more about blockchain, you click on blockchain. All this good stuff. You want to learn more about, a ledger, okay, crypto, non-fungible. All of a sudden, we're on non-fungible tokens. You're learning about them. So Investopedia, man, is a good place that you can pretty easily get lost reading, and they do a very good job of explaining the absolute basics. And when you're done, if you continue to read for, I don't know, a little while, 5 minutes a day, 10 minutes a day, you're going to dive pretty deep into a subject because you started on one place and you got lost, and you're good to go. No way, toilet paper, the most stable form of currency. Well, if toilet paper fails, you will also have leaves that you can use outside. See, you should stop by the Discord sometime, Sarah. Yes, School of Hard Knocks is where I learned. There you go, forefathers. You missed the last Friday Super Chats. Where is Mrs. Claybro? What did I miss, dude? What did I miss? I will do a Super Chat if I missed it, man. Let's see. What was the... Hey, Ryan, what was it? Somebody remind me. How are you, Clay? Peaceful Orion. I'm doing good. How are you, man? Can we open a poll, which will be smaller by the end of the day? The price of XRP in pennies or my midget neighbor's height in inches? Oh, gosh, dude. Your neighbor's not 35 inches tall, man. Come on. Is your neighbor 35 inches tall? I don't know. How tall is your neighbor? I need to know how tall he is. Investopedia on it. Thanks, dude. I will look further. Gotta start somewhere. Absolutely. And Investopedia is a pretty good, reliable source that you can use if you don't want to go get lost in, YouTube videos. If you go out and click on YouTube and start to search what is crypto, you can find some pretty good videos on what crypto is. And then, of course, the related or suggested videos could lead you down another little rabbit hole. You could go click on those videos. So it all depends on whether you prefer to watch a video or read to learn what's going on there. All right, back out to here. Let's see. Toilet paper NFT. That's pretty crappy, but I like it, man. Hey, mate, have you looked into Zen Crypto? No, so I've not. We did pull up Zen Crypto, I believe, on Thursday or Friday. We could pull it up again. But I have not looked into anything that Zen is doing. So let's see what Zen Crypto is at right now. What's the market cap on Zen Crypto? It's not even showing up right here. Zen Crypto, ranked number 2,703. The current price is 0.0000059, down 10% on the day today. The all-time chart says it has been losing a lot of value over the last month, going from, oh my god. Yeah, we did look at this. We did look at this. This was Certic audited one, right? Yes. Yeah, we looked into this one, man. I think that Certic dropped the ball on this one. I think that their audit was clearly off. This coin comes out and it's sitting at a penny last month and audited as a reliable, safe cryptocurrency, and immediately thereafter losing, losing 99.99% of its value in a couple day period. I would not be touching this, dude. I don't think that these guys are I don't think that these guys are legit, man. This literally went down in one day. October 9th, by October 10th, it had already lost like 99.9% of its value. These guys probably did some sort of a pre-sale, launched it at a penny, launched it at half a cent or whatever, started to go up, and then they dumped on everybody. That would be my guess. I have no idea how they're Certic audited. I have no idea how that happened, but this is wild, dude. I don't think that anybody should be buying that. We did look at that one. Oh, let's see. AMC Trapper, what is going on, man? How you doing? Let's see, my super chat on Friday was Michael Corleone kills King Turkey. Oh, God. I don't even know how you do that, but, King Turkey, it's time for you to go. That's the best I got, Ryan. Oh gosh, that's the best I got, man. I think that hopefully that's good, man. Hopefully that's good. Crypto portfolio is now 25% Ethereum, 25% Bitcoin, 25% Doge, and 25% Shiba. It took me a while to work on it. I'm ready for the next bull run now. Peaceful Orion, loving it, man. I absolutely hope the next bull run is wildly profitable for you. Awesome. Thanks, mate. Heck yeah. Mark. Hey, Clay, how are you doing? I have a question. What are your thoughts about crypto the past few weeks or months? What are your thoughts about LUNC? Will it recover? And would you put money in LUNC now? Okay. So, I'm doing good. Thank you very much for asking. I hope you're doing well as well. I have a question. What are your thoughts about crypto the past few weeks or months? So, overwhelmingly bearish, right? And I am still short-term bearish on the crypto market. I think that everything with Grayscale right now is pointing to a potential downside if they are not transparent with their holdings. If they do not show people that they are actually holding Bitcoin, I think you're going to see a major sell-off coming on here. Thoughts about Terra Luna Classic. Will it recover? Would you put money in it now? So Terra Luna Classic absolutely can recover. Terra Luna Classic is basically in a very tight spot right now. We are much more focused on just making sure these developers have some sort of a salary, as opposed to the community pool being enough and then being able to make money as the price of Terra Luna Classic increases. I think that is one of the best things that we could see happen, is we tie the progress of Terra Luna Classic to the, value of the developers. If Terra Luna Classic increases in value, the developers get paid more. If Terra Luna Classic does not increase in value, the developers get paid less or even nothing. So I think that's the direction that we should go. But they are so focused on this paycheck. And they have told us this morning that they're going to come up with a proposal. And the Terra Rebels will either leave or we pay them. We pay them what we want, or we pay them what they want, or they will stop working. And then we're going to have to find some new developers and so on. So I am not buying any more Terra Luna Classic at this point. I'm not buying any more Terra Luna Classic right now because of the developers. I'm not buying any more Terra Luna Classic right now because of the overall cryptocurrency market. I think that we've got a lot of risk right in front of us. I think that we're standing on the edge of a cliff, and the only decision that's going to be made is, will somebody kick us off the edge, or will we just continue to look at the edge of this cliff and eventually turn back around? So that's the kind of position that I'm in right now. I'm not sitting here, itching to add at the moment until a lot of this stuff gets cleared up. Let's see. You can play the Godfather theme in the background. Ryan Davis, I would love to play the Godfather theme in the background, but I'll probably get in trouble for playing any theme in the background right now. Funny thing is, when things are down, that's when you have to find problems. But when everything is soaring, no one cares what they put money. Arthur, 100% correct, dude. 100% correct. You guys see that there's 42 of you in here right now. Okay, you guys can see that views are drastically down, not just on my channel. If you go out to Andre Jick right now, you can see that dude's only got like 2.1 or 2.3. I added it up yesterday. I forget what it was. He's got like 2.1 or 2.3 million views over the last 30 days. You can see that Graham Stephan, I believe he had 4 million views over the last 30 days. Meet Kevin's views are drastically down. Anybody talking about stocks, anybody talking about crypto right now, their views are drastically down from what they have been in the past. And it's not channel specific. What does that tell us? That tells us that basically nobody is interested in getting into the market at this moment. And the 39 people that are currently in here right now is evidence that even the OGs, even those that typically watch and learn and listen and have fun, are finding other things to do. They're out there working right now. They're out there saying, forget about it. I'll start to get back in when things go up. I'm not going to accumulate right now. I'm just going to wait until things get better. This period of time that we are currently living through, I think that we are going to get worse. I do. But I think that if we make it through, we are going to see 5, 10, 15, 20, 50, 100x gains that are absolutely just inevitable as things turn back up to the upside. Dude, the only question you have to ask yourself is can you just deal with the interim? Can you deal with the time period between now and then? If the answer is no, like if you're, and this is not to like attack you, right? But if you are that weak-minded that you just literally can't live through that period from now until then, it's going to be the exact same thing that happened in 2021 when Shiba Inu coin ran up 50 million%. And we didn't participate in it because we weren't holding any Shiba Inu coin. $1 turned into a stinking $1 million in Shiba. Like, it doesn't take a lot to be exposed to the cryptocurrency space. And it doesn't take a lot to, when you 100x your money, to see some very massive gains take place. So the question you only have to answer: will you be here or will you not be here? 41 people in here. They're going to drop off day by day. I guarantee we might get down to 10, 15 people. If it gets bad enough, we might be down to 10, 15 people in the live stream, and there might be 30 of you guys in here right now that you miss out. I don't want to see that. I don't want to see that. So find a way to have some fun and find a way to be in here. A little cool recovery, but not anytime soon. Might take a while. High risk, high reward. Absolutely peaceful. That's what it is. Time for an ad. Like, oh my gosh, guys. Click. I don't even want to see what the likes are at right now. 22 likes, guys. Click the like button. There's 45 of you in here. Very low numbers, but we're going to get through it. It's going to be all right. It's clear you're buying or waiting. Giovanni, at the moment, I am waiting. I am actually short on Solana right now. The rest of my stuff I am holding. But as far as like trades or accumulation goes, I'm currently shorting, and what I may end up doing is just taking the profits off of those shorts, and I don't really plan on going long. If there's something that looks drastic, or if we start to go on a little run and I try to scalp a gain or something, I might end up doing that. But I'm much more comfortable playing things to the downside right now because I believe we're on the edge of a cliff. So right now, current trade is short on Solana, which I am profitable on. I've got my stop losses, so I'm not going to lose anything if it does jump up in value. But I will most likely just take profit off those trades and then start to accumulate, throw into a DeFi wallet. And anything that I'm holding, I'm not keeping on KuCoin. I'm keeping my trade, my swing money on KuCoin. But I'm not keeping anything on any centralized exchanges at this point that I plan on holding. Arthur! Can you see the money in my eyes, man? Yes. Arthur, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Loving it, dude. I will be here even if it's 10 people. I love it. And Pika Power is in here as well. Ryan's going to be here. Peak is going to be here. Look, dude, I hope you are. I hope you are, dude. Ryan, man, I want to see, even if you're sitting on $100, dude, even if your crypto portfolio is $100 and you 100x, you're sitting on a $10,000 portfolio, dude. I mean, at that point, do whatever you want with it. You know what I mean? Like, just do whatever you want with it. Make a couple $100 a month by staking it. Go out and buy some Crow coin and get yourself a 5% reward cashback credit card. Do something with that money at that point that can generate you some income. Or, I don't know, go buy a nice used car or something. I don't know what you want to do with 10 grand. But nonetheless, dude, see what I'm saying? It doesn't take a lot of money to make a lot of money when you see ridiculous gains like that. Moji! Yes! Pika Power. Listen. La pika pika, la pika pika, la pika 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 peek, la pika 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 peek, la pika pika, la pika pika, la pika 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 peek, la pika 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 peek, la pika pika, la pika pika, la pika 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 peek, la pika 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 peek. Last round, you guys better do it with me. La pika pika, la pika pika, la pika 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 peek. La pika 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 pika. Yes, Moji, man. Thank you very much for the pika pika. Love that dance right there. Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. Separate the wheat from, oh my gosh, what is this? Some sort of saying from the chaff. Clay, as for me and my wallet, we will continue to cumulate our support. Sorry, it didn't mean to be sacrilegious. Sacrilegious nowhere, man. Come on, Patrick. Thank you very much for the super chat. And my dude is right, man. My dude is right, guys. We need to make sure that we make it through this and we weed out everything that is not meant to be. It's going to happen. It's going to take place. It always does in any growing industry. Only the most efficient. Only the fittest, right? Survival of the fittest for those that like that reference. Only those that are fittest will survive. And we're seeing that happen right now. Whether it be cryptocurrency exchanges, whether it be cryptocurrencies themselves, whether it be DeFi versus CeFi or central finance, however you want to say it. There's a lot at stake right now, and we are going through the growing pains. We might even enter an era similar to a prohibition where DeFi is temporarily made illegal. It's an absolute possibility. They may think that that's a good idea. And we may see some very drastic drops in prices. We will be here. We will absolutely be here. Ryan, how tall are you, Clay, bro? Holding 5,000 plus crypto. Nice, Ryan. I would say 5'10", man. I haven't measured myself in a very long time, but I'm about in the 5'10" range. King Mamba talked to her this morning. Danelle, gotcha. Okay, I need to ask her a question. If you talk to her, tell her to message me on Discord. There you go, King Mamba. I like it. Pika, King Mamba, very good. Let's go check out what the market's doing really quick now. I want to see Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin's still sitting right here at this level. 15.7 is still much lower than it was earlier today when it was at $15,900 to $16,000 right here. Dipping down to 15.5, recovering half of the losses that it made. Very similar patterns across the board. We've got a little bit of a sell-off. Shiba Inu coin actually following Ethereum better than it is following Bitcoin. Dogecoin following Shiba Inu coin and Ethereum better than it's following Bitcoin at the moment. Solana. What is Solana doing since we are playing Solana at the moment? 1163. So recovering the losses from that Bitcoin sell-off right there and coming back up. Nonetheless, could be curling back over. Interesting to see that right there. We'll have to see if Solana curls back over and takes another little dump, which throwing some purple lines on there right now. These are the dangerous purple lines, man. When Solana goes down, Solana goes down. And you can see days like this are terrible when you're long on a cryptocurrency. You can see right here, any of the gains are steady, drawn out gains. They take a while, right? And then boom, a sell-off. Tries to recover, doesn't make it all the way back up. Boom, a sell-off. Tries to recover, doesn't make it back off. Yeah, this was a steady decline there. But any of the gains are long and drawn out, and then boom, the sell-offs are heavy. It typically means that the bears have a lot more power than the bulls do. The bulls try and fight to claw their way back up, and then boom, a sell-off can occur and take it to some new intraday lows or new intermediate lows that haven't been seen in a while. So that's currently the situation that's playing out in Solana at the moment, and Solana's actually following Bitcoin pretty well, but Solana recovered off this dip a little bit better than Bitcoin did. I think Bitcoin's probably slightly nervous about GBTC and whether or not Grayscale is actually holding Bitcoin in their Bitcoin trust. 107. No, man. That is not. Those are not dollars. You can see the symbol next to that is not a dollar. I'm hanging on, but I've lost thousands, but not so upset because I didn't use mortgage bill money. Again, I have. Yeah, so Giovanni, man. Look, I'm not going to sit here and be the guy on the internet that tells you I'm not losing, that I make perfect trades too. Trust me when I tell you this. My portfolio is down in 2022. Very difficult for anybody to be up in 2022 unless they were short for the entirety of 2022. They would either have to be a liar or a shorter to be profitable in 2022. Nothing has gone up in value. So yes, man, my portfolio is down big in 2022. I absolutely hope that it does recover. The only way that it doesn't recover is if it's sitting at the end of the times, man. I don't think we're sitting at the end of times right now. I was an idiot and bought back into Solana at the $13, $14 range. I have no idea the severity of the crash. Yeah, RK SoCal, man. So, look, I don't mind Solana. Solana, I believe, could be a very good longer-term hold, but it's not just, Solana right now that I'm skeptical of. I picked Solana. I'm short on Solana right now, and I picked it to short over, Bitcoin and Dogecoin and some of these other coins because it seems to be slightly more volatile. It seems to be swinging slightly more than some of these other coins are, and therefore providing slightly more opportunity. Goes up, goes down more than the other coins are moving right now. So because I am swing trading it and not necessarily just shorting it until it reaches $1 or anything like that, I chose the volatility in that. So I don't think that it would be impossible for Solana to be back up to $13 tomorrow if Bitcoin jumps back up to 16,000, 16,500. I don't think it's impossible for Solana to be back up at $13, $14. So definitely something to look at, man, but I'm skeptical of the cryptocurrency market at the moment. Skip hopping around at work, let's go. Hey, Miguel, man, if you make it through, you'll make it. If you make it through, you'll make it. It's as simple as that. Clay needs a fund to keep Clay funded. Fund a King Turkey for Tima too. Oh, yes. Tim, baby, are you out there? Thank you very much for the King Turkey, Tim, man. Hopefully you got that. You're listening right now. Having a good afternoon. We get a Michael Corleone fund. Yes, Ryan. I don't know anyone who's making money right now on this crypto market. Hey, dude, the only people making money, you're shorters and liars. So that's it. But you are absolutely right, Sean. If you bought the bottom of LUNC, you may be sitting on that. I mean, that's true, yes. But currently, it is still going down. You could still be up on prices, right? I mean, you could have bought Bitcoin 10 years ago and you'd be fine. Only person that was up in 2020 was an idiot from FTX. Yeah, Giovanni, that actually might be right. Access the Discord. Let me get you the link real quick. The Discord's free, dude. I just gotta get you. I'll put the link in the chat because the one in the description I can almost guarantee is already expired again. All right, if you guys want to join the Discord, links at the top of the screen, or you can click the one that's actually in the chat right now before it disappears. Ryan, thank you very much for the super chat. Patrick says, this is contribution to Moji's Claybro Fund. Boom, baby. Contributions coming in left and right. Peak of power. Thank you very much for the super chat. This is a King Cat for Emoji, a.k.a. Danelle. I don't know if Moji is a.k.a. Danelle or what's going on right now, but thank you very much, Peak of Power, for the super chat. It wasn't a super sticker. Really appreciate that super chat, Peak of Power. Moji, Danelle, somebody, whoever sent it, thank you very much. You split personality people, love it. Yes, the turkey, let's go. Dude wishes he knew about short last January. Boy, oh boy. I'm telling you, Miguel, man. I'm telling you. I don't know. I wouldn't have felt right shorting back in January. I thought back in January we were on a dip, okay? I didn't think that we were going to have some massive year-plus long, potentially, 2-3 year long bear market taking place with just major destruction in centralized exchanges. I didn't think we were going to see that back in January, especially after how strong of a bull run we had in both crypto and stocks. So yeah, I probably wouldn't have started shorting in January, but I'm making a little bit of money with what we got going on right now. Ooh, guys, this is wild right here. What we're seeing, right, is I'm acting like a kitty cat, man. This is a 1 minute chart. We got Bitcoin dumping off from 15,759 down to 15,527. This is touching that low right here, 15,520. We talked about this 20 minutes ago. 15,520 was the low. If it breaks this right here, you could absolutely see a very big sell-off. We're going to keep our eyes on Bitcoin at the moment. Dumping off right here. If it breaks this 15,520, let's put a little line right here to see what's going on. Shiba selling off as well. 15,520 is the mark to beat. If it falls down through this, we could absolutely see an even further sell-off. Nonetheless, we do have slight support in this area based on the previous low that was hit about 2 weeks ago. So we're seeing a little bit of sell-off there. Ethereum dumping off as well. Shiba Inu coin, you guys can see it dumping off in the bottom left. Bitcoin, purple candle. What does Solana look like out there? Solana hitting a pretty big pink, pink on Webull. Pretty big red candle right there, dropping 10 cents on Solana. Crypto. Could be, well, it seems like it may be bouncing back at the moment. I don't know. We're going to keep our eyes on Bitcoin to see if it does fall through this 15,520 level. I didn't even notice because, oh my gosh, man, I'm Big Clay. I'm supposed to be Big Weeble right there. AMC Trafford, thank you, dude. Oh my gosh. Appreciate you, man. I should have gone little Clay so long ago. What over there? Kalani, yes, man. Peak of power. Big. Oh my God, you guys. Thank you. You guys are on that one. You knew what I was doing and you knew about it. Ryan, Claybro is the relief we need in this bear market. Ryan, dude, appreciate you, man. Thank you very much for that super sticker. Not strong support and levels below to be recovered. I'm telling you, 420 Bud Monster, if we go below, it's going to be crazy. Moji, thank you very much for the banana. Moji says, hey, Trapper, what are you doing this weekend? You're eating a banana for Thanksgiving. You take the banana, you peel the banana, you tilt the head back a little bit, you lick it, and you stick it. Oh, Moji, Trapper, thank you very much for the lick and stick. You guys notice the eye contact the entire time. You never want to break the eye contact when you're eating a banana. You will make everybody in the room feel better. Pudgy, thank you very much for the taco. Chef. Cool, baby, cool. Fist bump. Fist. Hey. Thank you very much, Pudgy, for the cryptographic super chat. I don't know what that meant there, but I really appreciate it. Well, I think he wanted king snake tacos cooked up by the Pudgy. The cool eye. The cool eye himself, Pudgy. Is that right, Pudgy? You wanted king snake tacos cooked up by a cool chef Pudge? Is that what you got? I don't even know, man. When will we see the Claybro coin? Andrew Humphrey. I was actually talking about Claybro coin again today. Look, I really want to find a decent utility for the token, right? Even if we integrate it somehow into the channel, I want to find a decent utility for Claybro coin or Bro coin or whatever it is before I would come out with it and just have some token that's, well, what do we do now? You know, I wouldn't want to get into a situation like that. So if we could come up with a good idea and get it going, then absolutely, man. And I hope that every single one of us make like 1,000x on that during the next bull market. Oh, yeah, dude. 1,000x on that. Watch Bitcoin, guys. Watch Bitcoin right now. Bottom left is getting very dangerous. We are touching new lows. 15,461 just tapped on Bitcoin, all right? The previous low we hit 2 weeks ago was 15,520. We are now down below this line right here. We are 15,461 is the low that Bitcoin is tapping. So keep our eyes on this. We are watching some purple lines on the chart right now. Things could get dangerous if we continue to see this sell-off here. Pudgy! Thank you very much for the super chats. I am King Snake Taco Cook. I hit the like button. Rock on, baby. Nice, Pudgy. Pudgy is the King Snake Taco Cook, man. Pudgy, good deal, man. Thank you very much for the other super chat there. And the explanation of the first super chat, because I was wondering if I'm the King Snake, if I'm supposed to be a little snake, or what's going on right now. But I appreciate the clarity on that, Pudgy. Unfortunately, I don't know how to short, but I'm loving the drop to be able to double or triple down on these great lows. Yeah, so Lyman Dave, look, if you, all right, Bitcoin recovered a little bit here. If you do want to short, okay, certain platforms allow you to short. I know that KuCoin is one of them. So if you want to short and you want to open up a KuCoin account, you can check out the link in the description for KuCoin there and see if you can get everything going on to be verified and ready to go. Nonetheless, shorting obviously increases the risk because if you do go to play it to the downside, it might go up. And if you're playing it on leverage, you could bust your account there and you could get margin called and sold. So if you would like to just play it short, but not on leverage, you can absolutely do so. Check out KuCoin if you want to see if you're able to do it there. But nonetheless, dude, adding on the dips and buying in on these dips will absolutely lead to profit during the next bull market. It's just we got to wait till the bull market before we're able to take advantage of that. So the dips could get crazy, dude, but look, if you're buying Bitcoin at 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1,000, I mean, you're going to be talking about some wild gains. And I'll tell you this, okay? If Bitcoin gets down, I don't know what the price needs to be, but if Bitcoin gets down to a certain price, miners aren't even going to be profitable anymore, which is potentially going to kick the price even lower on Bitcoin. So there's a lot of things that could begin to spiral and snowball that could send Bitcoin much lower based on just the price going lower. Michael Corleone says Binance support sucks. Oh, you guys better watch out for that then, because Michael Corleone knows what he's talking about. And if Binance support sucks, Binance support sucks, guys. Jebly, thank you very much for the super chat. I'm still holding my Shib until 2044. Plus, I added LUNC on my Coinbase wallet, 2044, baby. You know what? I think I'm gonna set a reminder on my calendar for 2044. Jebly, I'm gonna message you in 2044, man. I'm gonna put a reminder on my calendar for 2024. We'll just do November 2024, like today, 2044. I'm going to send you a message, dude, and I'm gonna want to know how you're doing there. So be prepared to get in contact with me in 2044 to let me know how this is going, because I can almost guarantee it would be like buying Microsoft 20 years ago or something, or buying Microsoft 40 years ago, depending on how far advanced we become. So yes, dude, I'm interested in knowing how your 2044 is going to handle out or play out there. I think that you're going to be wildly successful, dude. 1,000 Bitcoin, yes, please. 420 Bud Monster. Would you buy 5 of them? To 420 Bud Monster. Would you try to accumulate 5 Bitcoin? So when it goes up to 100 grand, you're sitting on $500,000. Then let it all rip again with time. Yes, 420, it absolutely will. And remember, the more leverage, the easier liquidation can happen. Oh, Miguel, sorry, man. Miguel, absolutely, dude. If you are, the higher leverage you got, the less percentage move you need before you become liquidated. So if you guys are thinking about playing futures on leverage or playing on a margin account on KuCoin or something, yeah, so if you're 5x leveraged, a 20% move, you're liquidated, dude. If you are 10x leveraged, 10% move, you're liquidated if it moves to the wrong direction. If it moves the correct direction on 10x leverage, you're making 100%. You're doubling your money in just a 10% crypto move. So the risk to reward is definitely there, but you either have to be a phenomenal swing trader to know exactly when to get in, or very disciplined to get in and get out and scalp some quick gains, or you could end up losing pretty quick too. Have a great day. Pika, have a great day. Rumble time, Brock. Oh, it might be time, OG. Every time coworkers say, "What's up with the crypto? Isn't it great? Get to buy it cheap and make money." Yeah, look, dude, and you're going to have some people tell you that, what's up with crypto. They're going to start saying, and when they do, you know that we could be near a bottom. When people start saying that you're an idiot for investing in crypto, that crypto should be illegal, that crypto's a scam, that you deserve what you got for investing in crypto, the crypto's never going anywhere, that's when interest is at its lowest, okay? And when they just stop talking about it completely is when you really should be accumulating. That's my kind of mindset. Now, to you and I, it might seem like we never stop talking about it, because we'll never stop talking about stocks, cryptos, and so on. But when people you work with stop talking about crypto, they're done with it. They're done with it. That's kind of when interest is at its lowest, and you'll start to see it trend sideways. People even talk about stuff that's moving lower as long as it's moving. So you guys, you might actually be a little bit better off than I am, because I surround myself with it on a daily basis, making videos, trading it, doing all of this stuff. So I'm in it. You guys have access, you go to work or whatever, and if people are talking about it right now that aren't investing in cryptocurrency, dude, you know something's going on with it. When they stop talking about it is when you know that we may be near a bottom. La Pika Pika, La Pika Pika. Oh yes, John Jay. Have a great evening. Everybody have a great evening. I dollar cost average, but I am a trader more than a holder. And at the moment, I like to keep profits as longer term free positions. Yeah, 420, man. Look, I'm not as much of a trader as I would be just a buyer and a holder. But what I'm doing right now is I'm taking a lot of my... I'm not holding anything in centralized exchanges. I'm screwed on Voyager, and that's going to be stuck there for a while. But what I've got in KuCoin, I'm trading around, and then I'm going to take some profits. Whatever I hit in profit, I might just take 50% of the profit and buy a coin that I want to hold long term, send it over to a DeFi trust wallet, and hold it over there, and just to start to accumulate based on that, man. Start to accumulate based on some trades there, because I understand that, what are you going to do when this market's falling? You want to accumulate coins, but at the same time, look, I'm bearish, dude, so I truly believe that we could see some lower prices here, and I'm trying to take advantage of it. Shiba Inu to Pluto, ahoo! King Mamba, I'll have to see, man. There's a good chance I get on pretty quick here. If not, I don't know. I'll probably post a video or something before I do. But nonetheless, guys, it is after 5 o'clock, so we're going to get off here for right now. We're going to be back on tomorrow. We're going to have videos tonight at 7 p.m., videos tonight at 8 p.m. Appreciate all of you guys for hanging out in here. Get your name in the chat right now. We'll do the shout-outs, and then we will be back. Videos, like I say, 7 p.m., 8 p.m., and another live stream tomorrow. And look, if you guys are going to be off work this week, if you get off early, and you're not going to be in the live stream because it's a holiday week, and you got Thanksgiving, enjoy it, man. Enjoy the time with your families. Enjoy all that good stuff. We will not be live streaming on Thursday. We will be doing the morning live stream on Friday. But Thursday only videos. So don't worry about any of that stuff. Enjoy the time with your family. All that good stuff. Shoutouts to Nufo. Next level 420. We got King Mamba, AMC Trapper saying peace out to the Diamond Head Apes in the Crypto Ticks. I love it. 420, man. Dark Bro, Old Rounder. Boom, baby, dabbing on. We got 420, Kalani, Gorilla, Invictus, Miguel, next level 420, King Mamba, Moji, next level 420, Bob, see you later, the franchise, peace out to you, Old Rounder, Nufo, making tacos tomorrow, baby, Taco Tuesday's the way to go. I don't know if SD's listening right now. Giovanni Lewis, shout out to you. Pika Power, enjoy your day. Moji, I don't know, Nick F, man, if you're in here right now. Anybody else? Stephanie, bro, all of you guys. Dark Bro is in here. John J, man, see you later. Lyman Dave, all of you guys know what time it is. So you want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day. You know what? I want to say bye to Patrick, Arthur, and Rich, too. You guys stayed in here. You got the buys. So now if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time. Hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day.